How to remove items from cart and Blinkit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. So now I'm in my home page. So basically, all the products that you have added will be shown in your cart. Here on the bottom, simply tap on View Cart. So this is the cart section. Here all the products will be listed. Now, in order to remove them, here on the right hand side, you can see this minus button. Simply tap on this minus button, and as you can see, the product has been gone. So you can do this for the one that you want to remove. So after doing that, other items will be available and you can directly check out or order other items, and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.